Hi there, and thanks for looking at the Financials for Manufacturing course here on AppSource. Sabre is a unique ERP implementation firm in that we only do ERP implementations for manufacturing companies, and we basically only do Microsoft Dynamics Business Central, or also formerly called Microsoft Dynamics Nav. The Financials for Manufacturing course is really designed to get your financial system up and running quickly and specifically set up properly for manufacturing. That means work in process account settings and different elements of how you're going to be doing job costing and inventory control, standard cost versus average versus FIFO. That's part of what we're doing in this course, and it's specifically designed only for manufacturing companies and for manufacturing companies that intend to use the trade and manufacturing modules separately. So please take a look at what we're offering, download our brochure, and let us know if you have any questions at all. Thank you very much.